Hello friends, how are you? I thank you for joining and watching this video. Many people have been asking me questions and they've been calling and they've been sending messages. What is this boom about? What is this boom about after 8.75 years? We want to know. So many have been sending messages. I've not been troubled by these messages, but I saw people who care, and thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your love, so that I can really allay your fears for those who have fears, so that I can actually answer your questions for those who still have questions, for those who need to understand that this video is just for that. And by the way, for those of you who haven't subscribed, this is our channel for helping our families to be enriched, and you may be blessed by messages and sermons and everything that comes from this channel. And so, thank you for subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your support. Thank you very much. So this is the boom. But before we get there, let me just teach you a few lessons that I learned from the waiting period. Number one, pray and pray and pray and pray. For this thing that I've been waiting for, I've been praying every day or every other day. This has been our family prayer request. So continually pray without ceasing. There is power in praying. When you pray, there is something that happens. Number two, praying will not change God, but praying will change you who is praying. There's some power in praying, and this power actually works on the one who is praying, though not the one who is being prayed for. So as I was continually praying, as we were praying, as I and my wife were continually praying for this thing, we continued to agonize, and our relationship with God grew. And number three, the important point is this. I have noticed that so many of you have their answer to the boom. As you can see from the social media, I'm just scrolling through. As I am scrolling through, you can see what people were saying, and these were their responses and the messages that were coming. As you are looking at that, so many had, okay, there is this boom and there is that boom, and which is the boom? Maybe it's the boom that we are thinking about. Oh, yes, I have come to learn that life has got so many bus stops where you wait. And everybody else thought that this boom is about the booming baby girl or booming baby boy. But it's not. It's It's something that we've been praying for as a family, and maybe it may not be for public consumption, but it's something that really God has answered. And so I want to say to you, you also need to wait for your boom, because it will come. But your boom may not be the boom that people are waiting for. And people may be saying, yes, finally it has happened. He has posted and this thing has happened, but it's not the boom that you've been waiting for. Because I have personally learned that I have so many bus stops. A bus stop for waiting for a child, a bus stop for waiting for this blessing and that blessing and that blessing. And I have continually learned to continually pray to God, and for this very thing. And I just want to bring this as a testimony to somebody. I don't know what you are praying for. Maybe you're praying for your house, maybe you're praying for a child, you're praying for whatever. Don't go away from the bus stop. Stay at the bus stop. The bus may have had a breakdown. The bus may have had a breakdown, but definitely it is going to come. And ours took 8.75 years to come. Wait for your boom. Continue praying, and God definitely will answer you. If He doesn't answer, continue praying. Remember, Prayer is not changing God, but prayer is changing you who is praying. May God richly bless you as you continually wait for your boom. Don't leave the bus stop.
Brought to you by Shunem K.